The examples of creepers are pumpkin, bottle gourd, watermelon, and so on. Now, plants on the basis of their habitat. Every plant, where they live. Where do they grow? So, plants on the base of their habitat. That's what we are going to look at it. So, the next part is plants. Plants on the basis of their habitat. Let's look at that. The first one we have is terrestrial plants. The plants which grow on land, they are called terrestrial plants. All right? The plants that grow on land. Now, so the first type of plant with their habitat is terrestrial plant. Where do they grow? They grow on the land. Okay? Like the papaya tree, mango tree. They are terrestrial plants which grow on the land. Next type is aquatic. Aquatic plants. Plants that grow in the water. Aquatic. These grow on the land. These grow in the water. Plants which grow in water are called aquatic plants, like the water lily, lotus, and so on. The next we have thorny plants which grow in the dry places in the desert. Thorny plants, wherever there is no water, less water, dry places, thorny plants grow. Plants which have thorns and spines, they are called thorny plants, like the cactus and the rose. They can survive in dry places and with very little water. Okay? Next, I want you to know aquatic, when you say plants grown in water. Aquatic plants such as water lily, stargrass require plenty of sunlight. All right? Now, thorns of cactus, thorny plant. Thorns of cactus plant protect them from animals. So, it's also kind of protection from the animals. They grow thorns so that they are not eaten by the animals or taken by the human. They say an average size tree can provide enough food to make 1,70,000 pencils. So if there is an average size tree, it can provide enough wood to make 1,70,000 pencils. Now they say bananas contain a natural chemical. We can make people feel happy. Bananas. You love to eat bananas? Now, if you eat bananas, it's got a natural chemical that can make you happy. So start eating some bananas. Next type, the fourth type is it terrestrial, aquatic, thorny. And the fourth one is wild plants. Wild. What about the wild plants? What do you mean by wild plant? Wild plants grow naturally anyway. You see all types of grass that grow, plants that grow. They grow naturally. They are not planted. They are not planted by humans intentionally, but they grow on its own, and they are called wild plants, like the banyan tree and grass. Nobody plants them, but it comes up on its own. They say something interesting about bananas. Bananas are the world's biggest trees in terms of the area they cover. That means the biggest number, the large number of trees grown all over the world put together in acre-wise, it is the banana trees that is grown the most. Now we spoke about plant, parts of a plant, types of a plant, and plants that we segregate according to the habitat. Now we are going to talk about uses. What use it is for us, humans and animals. Uses of plants. Uses of plants. What are the uses? First of all, plants give us food. Okay, first, the plants give us food. Not only for us, for the other animals also. We eat leaves, stem, fruits, flowers, and seeds of plants. So we are talking about uses of plants. There are many parts in a plant, we said. So we eat the leaves. We can eat the leaves. Some animals also eat leaves. We can eat the stems. Some animals also eat stems. We can eat the fruits of the plant. We can eat some flowers of some plants, and we can also eat seeds. So every part of a plant, some plants are edible. Leaves like the spinach, cabbage. Stems. Then we can eat fruits, all fruits. Flowers, banana flower, pumpkin flower, drumstick flower. Some flowers can be eaten. Shoe flower, seeds. All plants have seeds, and some of the seeds are edible. So the first one is the plant, use of plant is food. It provides us with food. Now, some roots can be eaten, like beetroot, radish, turnip. So roots also eaten. Roots are eaten. What root? Beetroot, carrot, turnip. All these are roots. Now, stems. Some stems are eaten. Stems of plants are eaten, like potato. Potato is a stem, and ginger is also stem. This is eaten. Next, we eat some leaves. So we eat roots, we eat stem. Next, we eat leaves. Roots, stem. What leaves do we eat? We eat spinach. Spinach is a leaf. Lettuce is a leaf. Cabbage is a leaf, isn't it? All these leaves are eaten. We do eat some flowers. Some flowers are edible, not all. Broccoli is a flower. Cauliflower is a flower. Other than this, we also eat pumpkin flowers, drumstick flowers, banana flower. Banana flower. So we eat roots, we use stem, we eat leaves, and we also eat flowers of plants. So first we get food from the plants. Next, what do we get? We also get cereals, pulses, oil, spice, tea, coffee, sugar from plants. So what else we get? We get cereals from the plants. We get pulses from the plants. We get oil from the plants. We get spice from the plants. We get tea from the plants. We get coffee from the plant. We get sugar, and sugar. So lots of things we get from the plant. We get cereal, we get pulses, we get oil, spices, we get tea, coffee, sugar. So the plant provide us a lot of things. Next, number 3, next the plant, they give us oxygen, make air fresh and pure for you and me. So the plant they give out oxygen. And what else? Make the air fresh and pure. So thanks to plants, they give us oxygen, they make it fresh and pure. Next, plants give us cotton and jute. They give us cotton, we can make our clothes, and jute. Lot of things are made from jute. Not only clothes, bags, all kinds of things made from jute. Finally, plants like tulsi, neem, mint, they give us medicine. So we have lots of medicinal plants and we can get medicines from them. So tulsi, neem, these are only some, okay? Mint, tulsi plant, neem and mint give us medicine. They are medicinal plants. We also can get perfumes from plants, flowers. There are some plants that have nice smell, like the roses, jasmine. They give out fragrance, and out of that, they also make perfumes. So today, what did we learn? We are all talking about plants. Now, there are plants are living organisms. They give us food. They have many parts like the top. The parts over the soil is called the shoot, and below the soil is called the root. And in the shoot we have the stem, the leaves, the flowers, fruit, etc. Then there are different parts. The root has got a function to collect water minerals. The stem, it collects that water minerals to all parts. Then we have leaf, that's a factory, food factory. It prepares food and supplies to the whole plant. Then there are flowers, which the humans and the animals are attracted. And these flowers are the reproductive part of a plant and it turns into fruits. Fruits are of different sizes and shapes and color. It is the fruit. Some fruit, many fruits are available, but there are some are edible. Inside every fruit, there is a seed. One seed, few or many seeds. There are different types of plants. We learned herbs and shrubs and trees and climbers and creepers. Then we said that different plants grow in the basis of the habitat. Like we have mango tree and papaya tree that grow on the ground. There are plants that grow in the water. They are called aquatic. There are thorny plants. Then finally we have wild plant that grow by itself. Then there are uses of plant that we said mainly the main use of the plant is to give us food. Then we can eat the roots of some plant, we can eat stems of some plant, we can eat leaves of some plant, we can eat some flowers of some trees. Then other uses are it gives us, plant gives us cereals, pulses, oils, spices, tea, coffee. Plants give out oxygen, makes the air fresh and pure for us. Plants give us cotton and jute. Plants also give us medicinal plants. Are there? Some medicinal plants here mentioned are tulsi, neem, and mint.